So guys, we want to test our baby using our skin colors. Aldea, what color is mama?
Black.
Black. What color is papa?
Gap.
Gelb. Say in English. Gelb is in German. Say in English.
Yellow.
Yes. What color is Aldea?
Yellow.
Yellow. What color is mama's hand?
Black.
Black. What color is papa's hand?
Gap.
Say in English.
English.
What color is papa's hand?
Yellow.
Yellow. What color is Aldea's hand?
Yellow.
Yellow. Aldea's hand is black.
9.
9. Mama hand is gelb. Mama hand is yellow.
9.
Papa hand is black. What color is papa hand?
Yellow.
Bravo. Aldea, what is mama's name? What is mama's name?
Effie.
Effie. What is papa's name?
Ferenc.
Ferenc. What is baby's name? This baby. What is baby's name?
Idea.
Aldea. Bravo. Okay. I want you to greet.
Mama, Peter Mockman.
Knockman again.
Yeah.
What is mama's name?
Effie.
Effie. What is papa's name?
Ferenc.
Ferenc. What is baby's name?
Idea.
Aldea. I want you to greet grandma at home. Say, Grandma Irio.
Ayo.
Wachane.
Achane.
Ivinade.
Ininade.
Bravo. I want you to count 1 to 10 in Swahili.
Uncle.
Achiel.
Uncle.
Okay. Achiel.
Achia.
Ario.
Iyo.
Adek.
Edek.
Angwen.
Angone.
Abich.
Beach.
Auchiel.
Achia.
Abirio.
Ayo.
Aboro.
Apoyo.
Ochiko.
Achiko.
Apar.
Papa.
Bravo. Moja.
Moja.
Mbili. Tatu.
Tatu.
Nne.
Ene.
Tano.
Tano.
Sita.
Sita.
Saba.
Saba.
Nane.
Nane.
Tisa.
Tisa.
Kumi.
Kumi.
Yes. Say oriti.
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 Oriti.